In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a contact group in Microsoft Outlook. Setting up a contact group can simplify your email communication, allowing you to send messages to multiple people without having to enter each address individually. This can be really handy if you frequently communicate with a team, a committee, or any group of people. By the end of this quick guide, you'll have a functional contact group that will make sending group emails much more efficient. Let's begin by opening Microsoft Outlook. Once you've got Outlook open, look for the People section. This is where you manage all your contacts, and it's the starting point for setting up your new contact group. Clicking on People will bring you to a list display where you can see all the contacts you currently have in Outlook. Next, you'll need to locate the New Contact Group button. It'll typically be located near the top of the interface, under the Home tab in the ribbon. Clicking this button will open a new window where you can start setting up your group. The process is fairly intuitive, but there's a little bit of detail to pay attention to here. Once you're in the New Contact Group window, you'll see an option to Add Members. This is where you'll build your list by including all the contacts you want to be part of this group. You can add members from your Outlook contacts, your address book, or create new email contacts if they aren't already in your list. Just click Add Members, make your selections, and add them to the group. This feature is flexible and allows you to add as many people as you need, making it versatile for different communication needs. After you've added all your desired members, it's time to name your group. Choose a name that is descriptive and easy to remember, as this will be the name you type in whenever you want to send an email to the entire group. Something simple like Team Project or Monthly Meeting can work well, depending on the group's purpose. When you're finished naming your group, click Save and Close to finalize the setup. And just like that, you've created a contact group in Outlook. From now on, whenever you find yourself composing a new email, just begin typing the name of your contact group in the To field. Outlook will recognize it and automatically populate the addresses of all members in the group. It's an efficient way to ensure everyone gets the same message without missing anyone or having to enter multiple email addresses every time. That's it. You've successfully set up a contact group in Outlook. This simple setup can save you a lot of time and ensure more streamlined communication with your team or group. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.